Okay, we're doing Venn diagrams 1 on my iMaths, and this is question 2. So Venn diagrams and probability. Phoebe surveys 53 gym members to find out which exercise classes they take. Her results are on the Venn diagram. Okay, so there's 53 people in that. Some of them do yoga, some of them do kickboxing. Some of them do both yoga and kickboxing. Some of them just do one or the other. And some people don't do either. So all of those people add up to the 53 people she asked. 22 plus 6 plus 20 plus 5 comes to 53. Phoebe chooses a gym member at random. Find these probabilities. P yoga. So the probability that the person that she picked does yoga. Okay, well, it's not just these 22, because these 22 are people who only do yoga, but there's another 6 people here who still do yoga. They're inside the yoga circle, but they also do kickboxing. So actually it's 28 out of 53. There are 28 people out of the 53 that do yoga. So you've got a 28 out of 53 chance, 28 53rds chance if you pick someone at random that they do yoga, because that's the proportion of the people that do that. Okay, the probability of yoga and kickboxing. So you're looking for someone, you pick someone at random. What is the chance that they do yoga and also kickboxing? Well, there's 6 people that do that out of the 53. So you've got a 6 out of 53 chance of picking such a person. So if you just pick random people all the time, you would expect to get such a person 6 53rds of the time. Okay, kickboxing, but not yoga. So someone who only does kickboxing. So that's one of these 20 people that only do kickboxing, but not yoga. So you've got a 20 out of 53 chance of getting one of those people, because there are 20 such people out of the whole 53. And then the probability of yoga or kickboxing or both. So you pick someone at random and you ask them the question, do you do yoga or kickboxing, or even both? And the chance that they say yes, well, you've got to think of all the people that do yoga, all the people that do kickboxing, and plus the people that do both. So there's 22 that only do yoga. There's 20 that only do kickboxing, but there's also 6 that do both. That adds up to 48. So you've got a 48 out of 53 chance that if you pick a person at random, they do yoga or kickboxing, or indeed both. Find the probability that a member chosen at random takes one or no classes. Okay, one or no classes. So there's 22 people that just take one yoga class. There's 20 people that just take one kickboxing class. There's 5 people that take no classes, and that's out of the 53 people you could pick from. So that adds up to 47 people that you could pick out of 53. So 47 out of 53 such people. Of course, you could have just said 1 minus the 6 out of 53 that take both classes. That's another way you could have looked at that. Anyway, let's mark this. And there it is.